With the expansion of AI in engineering and technology, regulatory technology, or RegTech, presents an opportunity to transform compliance by freeing up staff, lowering risks, and generating timely strategic insights, all of which helps to save money. We sent Nick Thatcher to find out how Capnovum is aiming to help the engineering sector keep up with an ever-changing landscape.
Whatever your business, monitoring and keeping up with an ever-changing regulatory landscape is no longer just about staying compliant. It's also critical to inform strategy definition. Like in a game of chess, the right sequence of moves generates a competitive advantage. Foresight and timely insights are crucial. Capnovum has successfully automated the horizon scanning process for providing real-time information on regulations and where in the world the game is changing or likely to change next. Insights that automatically generate options, again in real time, for how a business can respond. The technology is industry agnostic and has already proved its worth for financial institutions looking to manage compliance, mitigate risk, and reduce costs.
So we have a map of the world here. What's it telling us?
It tells us where in the world we have regulatory news coming out at the moment. And what we can see right now is that something is happening in Europe. So let's take a look at the UK, for instance. Now we have a heat map of UK with regulators and regulations.
And if I click on MiFID II, for example,
then you will see all the news coming out from MiFID II from regulators all over the world.
The platform gathers real-time information from more than 70 countries, including the United States, where it works at both federal and state level. It monitors more than 250 regulators and supervisors and offers in excess of 20,000 updates per week. But it's more than an up-to-date repository of regulations, obligations and news. Using natural language processing and proprietary deep learning techniques, algorithms can discover a client's regulatory footprint, identify synergies between regulations, and assess the impact of regulatory updates.
What we do is we capture all the information and make it available to the client straight away. In the background, we then work with categorizing it and learning from it. The benefit from working across a large number of jurisdictions is that we can capture patterns and trends across regulations and across regulators and across jurisdictions. And we can follow trends on how a certain regulation is rolled out across the world.
New research forecasts that the value of RegTech spending will exceed $127 billion by 2024, up from $25 billion in 2019. This growth is said to be driven by a dramatic rise in the automation of resource-intensive tasks and the increasing use of AI. Yanos Berberos is the founder of Supercharger, Asia's leading fintech accelerator, as well as the co-author of the world's leading academic research on RegTech market development. He sees Capnovum as playing a crucial role in the automation of compliance, and told me that in the finance sector, it's already proving to be a game changer.
The future is technology. Compliance will be done automatically, real time, and predictively. There might be a perception that regulators are slow, but when you know that there's over 10 regulatory changes an hour or 55,000 regulatory changes a year, actually regulation is changing very, very quickly. Each of these changes has an impact, and this is where Capnovum is very strong.
Increasing regulation has up to now been met by hiring additional staff, but the focus is now shifting rapidly from compliance at all cost to more cost-efficient compliance powered by technology. Capnovum offers a platform with external information and regulatory insights, which combined with internal controls and initiatives will benefit both the business and the regulators.
Going forward, the regulator should be able to request of an institution to tell them, based on my business model, these are the regulations I'm under globally. These are the obligations and these are the controls I have against them. These are the gaps we know, either existing or upcoming, and these are the initiatives that we're running to close these gaps, and this is the status of it. That's the information that a regulator should require from an institution going forward. This is the information that Capnovum can help with.
Every good chess player knows an ill-informed move can bring an unexpected risk or sanction. Cap Novum has proved that compliance can be a strategic advantage.